everyone. Let us start agriculture sector, one of the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to understand the importance, present scenario, modern methods, measures, and what are the causes of low productivity. Now, let us understand why agriculture is so important and the importance of agriculture sector. Agriculture sector is the primary sector, and primary sector only provides the raw material to the secondary. If the primary will not grow, it is but natural that the secondary and tertiary will not grow as well. As you know that since independence, our country was an agricultural nation, and it is also a backbone of an economy. Indian economy is dependent on agriculture for various aspects. If Indian agriculture sector fails to produce food grains, vegetables, not only affect the raw material but cash crops and other industries will also fail. So, this sector has prime and due importance. Now, let us understand that is importance of agriculture sector, what are the causes and what are the problems of low productivity and what are the measures to increase the productivity. Now, as you know that agriculture is one of the backbone of any of the economy. If we talk about India, our is an agrarian country, so naturally it has dependency. Now, if I talk, major portion of national income comes from agriculture. Agriculture provides raw material to various other industries, as it has to get other industry mainly dependent on agriculture industry. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the international trades. If we are self sufficient and self reliant, then we can even export agricultural products, because we are blessed with the environment. Other countries of the world, there are some countries whose climate is not suitable for agriculture. Agriculture creates infrastructural facilities, importance of industrial development. Agriculture feeds the large portion of the country. So, it is mainly agriculture is the backbone or the basic or the prime requisite. If I talk, the government of India has also made efforts to industrialize the nation, but even today in India is also known as agricultural or agrarian country or agriculture economy. Over a period of time, the secondary and tertiary industries have blossomed in an Indian economy, but the importance of agriculture remains the same. Now, what are the weaknesses of agriculture scenario? That is, average yield in India is just about 30% to 50% of the highest average yield. The production is comparatively low. We should increase modern farming methods should be used to increase the production. Agriculture in India is not technically developed. Development is not yet been made in India. Other countries are having horticulture and other courses, but if I talk about India, these industries, these methods have not yet flourished. It is yet to flourish. uh, Agriculture facilities are inadequate, which result in farmers still being dependent on the rainfall. Illiteracy in the socio-economic backwardness results in low productivity. These are the causes where the exactly it should have that much productivity, but because of that there is little problem, and agriculture sector is not blooming or blossoming. Indian agriculture scenario. What are the strengths? Indian agriculture is famous for rich biodiversity. We are blessed. Throughout or across India, you can find different climate, and that is like a boon which will help to maintain or grow different kind of crops or variety of crops, to be more precise. Almost 60% of Indian land comprise of agricultural land. Climate is suitable for agriculture. Strong and well versed research and extension system. Even the government is developing little schemes which will help to agriculture sector to grow more. Now, Indian agriculture, some facts: contribution to 14% of GDP, provides food to 1 billion people, sustain 65% of population, helps alleviate poverty. With the increase in the crops or increase of agriculture sector, the poverty can be reduced, because now people can afford, or people can at least have 2 time meal with more production. Produces 50% of main crops, provides raw material to other industries, and contributes to 1/6 of the export earning as well. So we do even export. Now these are the steps taken by the government, that is crop insurance, easy availability of capital or investment output, introducing MSP, that is minimum selling price policy, subsidy in using capital intensive technologies, land reforms. Then institutional credit has increased, public distribution systems. All these are the steps that have been taken by the government in order to increase or to grow more of agriculture products in India. Now suppose if I talk about present situation or the scenario of agriculture sector and its importance, contribution in national income. Agriculture being a main occupation in an economy, it contributes much in the national economy as well. As per the economic survey of 2011-12, the contribution of agriculture sector in the nation income was 53%, and then sooner it has lost the importance, but till today it is contributing in national income. Second one is employment. Agriculture sector provides maximum of employment in the industry. 72% of the population was engaged in the agriculture activities like fisheries, forest, other products, poultry, farming, etc. Now if I talk about number 3, that is export. Indian agriculture helps our country to earn foreign exchange by exporting. Necessary exports can be done. As a result, more of cash inflow would be there in an economy. It is again a boost to an economy. Suppose if I talk about statistics in 2013-14, what the contribution through export earning was 14.2%. Then living standard also can be increased. More products, more food, cash crops should be provided. Cash crops are like cotton, jute, groundnut oil. Those are the crops which get converted into cash immediately. As a result, the standard of living will increase. Now the farmer is earning more by cultivating cash crops, because they generate more of cash. Therefore, it can be said that the agriculture sector is satisfying the requirements of people in enough quantity, and due to that an average lifespan of the people also has increased, based for industrial development, as it provides raw material to other industry. The other industries are mainly dependent on agriculture sector. Rural areas are becoming big market for industrial product, and about 69% of Indian population of India live in rural. There was even a noticeable change. You can see that rural areas and rural areas are also demanding like products like TV, fridge, etc., and their standard of living has also increased because of higher earning. Now, with this I end the session. We have discussed only two topic, that is present scenario and the importance. In the later video we will see about discuss about causes and the probable remedies for low productivity in agriculture sector. In case any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.